Hello traders, welcome to the CADJPY. In this video, like other videos, we're gonna go through our watch list for the upcoming week. The market is now open, but there's no volume to inside the market, so it's okay. So I'm gonna start with the CADJPY, and then we're gonna go to GBPJPY, EURGBP, and GBPUSD. In the CADJPY, I'm gonna first take a look at the monthly just to see what's going on. And so basically this is the monthly resistance and we are like super close to it right now. So as we can see that we have this strong push to the up. Finally we broke above this area. We were like consolidating stock here for like a decent time. And then I'm gonna go to the weekly. As I can see on the weekly time frame, I see like the moment, like the bullish momentum is just like going and if I go to the daily, probably is coming down. Yeah, as you can see. So I see this week the upside. So I'm probably gonna make it take this as a resistance. So we broke above here. So right now we're gonna see like two things. So I have two scenarios for this. So probably if the price come here and test this area, and if we close below this zone, if we close below this zone like here, like we had something like this, and then we're gonna test it, and then we're probably gonna have like a more push to the downside, just gonna like be like something like this. And then I'm gonna have a sell position until like here, something around here. And because the reason this is gonna be the final TP first, because of this is gonna be get close to this zone that we break. But like the thing is that this is too strong push. There's like a thousand pips push to the up. I don't think it's gonna come like all the way down. So it's probably it would make sense just like to close or like risk risk free the position around here. So this is the first scenario that I have. So basically, if the price close below this zone and then we just then continue to go down, I'm gonna take a short. I'm gonna go short, and so probably gonna I have something like this. So something like 100 pips stop loss, and then the stop. The final TP is 500 pips, sorry, and probably gonna like however like you manage your trades or risk. So I'm probably gonna like take some profits out around this area. This is because it's like a support here, and then I will let it go. But if the price didn't go as I wanted, so if the price continue to goes up, so I'm gonna wait here. So if the price here and it shows like it didn't show any sign of a bearish movement or just like come back up, I'm gonna go for a long here, because like this range here is not it's not a small range to leave. So this is like a 500, like a 420 pips. And so basically if the price like come down here, uh, if and I see like there's like a sign in the lower time frame that is gonna be like bullish, so I would take a buy here and I'll go long here. And so I'm probably this is gonna be the final TP, and I'm gonna like have it 100 point, like there's something around here, 100 points stop loss, and then I hope price continues to goes up. And this is like a final TP, like this just don't like be like, yeah, yo, like why you have a small stop loss. It's just that's a final TP, and however you guys like manage your own risk, you can like get out the trade however you want. So basically we had two scenarios for CADJPY, and that's it for CADJPY. I'm gonna go to the GBPJPY. I'm gonna start in the weekly time frame, so I'm going to close, I'm gonna clean all those things. So in the monthly time frame, so we see like finally we broke above this key zone, and now we're like close to it, and we also like above the 200 MA in the monthly time frame. So I'm gonna go to the weekly. So as I can see, So we are losing the momentum, like bullish momentum here. And we can see in the weekly time frame, we had this, we came all the way here, and then the price, the sellers like push the market down and bring the price down, and they close around here. So we selected maybe the sellers are now in charge, and they're gonna make bring the price down. And so I'm gonna go to the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, if I wanna like it, this is like for the swing position. If I wanna go, I'll go with the buy. So it's for the swing position. I'm gonna like take a buy here in around this zone. And because, like I said, this is like a strong push to the up. I don't think the price will come all the way here. And maybe we don't know. It might come, but if I can see in the 4-hour time frame, if the price come here, it would have made sense to like, because like we have this, even though like it's gonna be like the FTL is showing like a cross to the downside, and it's gonna showing the bearish momentum. I would have taken a buy here because like my higher time frames are in my favor and they are bullish still. So I'm probably gonna like take a buy here. And this is for the swing position. So it's different. There's like two type of things you can trade here. So you can go scalp or day trade, or kind of go for the swing position. So something around here like a 200, 222 point stop loss, and then I'm participating and hoping the price will go all the way up here and make another low. This is for the weekly, so it might like this takes for a while now, so I'm not taking any buy positions right now. And when the price came here, I'll let you guys know. But in the meantime, so as I said, the bullish are not in control anymore. So as you guys can see, the price came all the way here. So I'm gonna have like a two different things for it. So I'm gonna first of all I'm gonna start. This is gonna be a major resistance for me for now. And let me just get rid of these boxes. Okay, and if I go to the 4-hour time frame, this is for the like the idea of the scalping and day trading position. So in the 4-hour time frame, I see like, so we have this push to the up, and we can also like say this is like a pattern for the like the short, and this is gonna be a double top. We have this uptrend and we have this double top, and now this is a neckline, and now the neckline is broken. We also the price is now here. Sorry, the price is now here. We can like test it if the prices continue to go down. So I'm gonna draw uh, a zone here. So, and why I drawing this zone, because so price had this bullish structure to the up, making a higher high, and then it came here, make a higher low, and then make a higher high, higher low. So here, this is a higher high, because this is my previous higher high, and this is my previous higher low. So here, this was resistance, and now it's support, and now as you guys can see, it's like showing a little bit of support. So if you break below here, I'm probably gonna like I take a sell here, just I'm gonna go short. This is because gap or day trading. Also, I'm not taking in trade right now. I'll let you guys know when I'm in the trade, and I'll update you guys in the channel. Uh, so I'm probably gonna like take a short position here. Okay, and just like a maybe like a 50-point stop loss. Well, actually like put 60, and then I'm gonna put it in here. This is my final take profit, and probably is not gonna. Uh, I hope it comes down to my final take profit, but you never know. But like I said, make sure you have a proper risk management. So I'm probably gonna take some profits out around this area. This is like another a higher high, higher low, and this is another one, and this is my final take profit. And so these are the two scenarios that I had for the GBPJPY. EURGBP, I still have the same thing, same idea for it. I'm gonna go to the weekly, and so I'm gonna go to monthly actually to see what's going on. So in the monthly time frame, we can see, so there is a strong support here, and we also had to move to the downside and like try to break below, but we close above this zone. So this is like give me like a indication the price maybe continue to goes up, and like uh the bearish is not valid anymore. So I'll probably have the bit like a basis for the buy. And also, as you guys can see in the weekly time frame, we are a little consolidating here. So we had this like a bearish structure here. We had this lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we just like consolidating for now. And so there's no clear idea or path for like which is like the price is going up or down. So if you go to the daily time frame, this is like more clear in the daily time frame. So as you guys can see, we had this very structure to the downside. We came here like we're still having problems where the price is going consolidating, comes down to the retest again. So if we the price was here, like this was a live market and we didn't see anything, so you might have like the idea, okay, the price is now going up because like okay, it's now making like a bullish structure. This is like a high, 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 low, high, high. But as you guys can see, the right now again is like a consolidation here. It did and get the berries on here, but right now again have a strong push to the upside. So like I said, I'm not taking any trades right now, so I'm gonna wait for the price. So if the price they come all the way down here, I'm gonna wait for the retest. So probably if we broke above here, so I'm gonna wait for this one, do like a retest and participate in the price go up for it. Or if sorry, and if that's not the case and the price come down, because like I said, this is like a swing trade right now. Because what I see in the monthly time frame, and until still we have like 5 minutes, 5 days for the candle to close. But I think it will continue to goes up. So if the price comes down here, I will still look for this like a buy here. I will take another chance to get a buy to do another buy here. So maybe if the price comes down here, let me just go to the 4 hour actually. So as you guys can see in the 4 hour time frame, it will make more sense to go long again. So if we mark this zone here, if we mark this zone here, yeah. So it would have made sense like to get a buy here because like this was the resistance. Now it could act as a support. And even though like you can see like there was the could test and then it might continue to go up, it would then come down. But it's still if the price comes down here, like around here, because in that case we still have the 200 MA and first touch of the MA to go long, and I will get the buy here, and then this is gonna be my first take profit, and my second take profit is when like there's a test and continue goes up. And if that's not all, if that's not then it didn't work. So if the price call all the way below here, and then my analysis are wrong for the buy, and I would like take a short here because like right now this is the monthly support. These are in the monthly time frame. These are just like weeks. And so basically, if the price come down, I might like to take a short here, like from here to here. There's like 54 points, or there's gonna be the first take profit, and the second one is gonna be this one for like 100 pips. And if I believe if the price like come below this zone, it will continue to go down like more and more, and so we're probably gonna have more pips to catch. So that's my analysis for EURGBP. And GBPUSD is the last period we're gonna talk about it. And I'm gonna go to the monthly just to see what's going on again. So basically, so we see that we had this push to the downside, and this is like this is probably gonna be the major support and major resistance. We're not like stuck between these two key zones. And as you guys can see, let me just get rid of Yes, again. And also this one. Okay, and so right now we see a clear push to the downside, like this is from July 2021. Oh, sorry. And then so I'm gonna go to the weekly. Let's see. I'm gonna draw a channel and a trend line. So from here to the top of it, and then okay, something like this. So let's like teach touches and just wait for the price to come and do the retest. But other than that, so if we come here and so we see like okay, this is making higher. We had this bullish structure like the previous things I said. So this was the higher high and then higher low, then higher high, higher low, and here is another higher low. And so it makes sense for me because like it has more touches to be a support and resistance. For me it's going to be support. It was a resistance at the beginning and then we broke above it. Now it can act as a support and we have another idea for support. So two things might happen here. uh, so I'm gonna go to the daily time frame. So like I see here, so we had this support in the daily time frame, and we had this strong push to the down. So two things might happen again, like the previous pairs. So in the daily, because like as is like a two, like a one, like almost like a 200 pips push to the downside. I believe, and it's also close to the other resistance. I believe it's gonna do like a retest, like in the lower time frame. So as you can see, like the momentum is gone, and it's also like because like this is like just the first few hours when the market is open. So my analysis is that the price will continue to come like a little bit up, maybe like to do this first touch and maybe like do a retest here and then continue to goes down, down. And here is gonna be the when I probably get out of the trade or make it at least like take some huge profits out. And if the price continue to goes down and gonna be something like this happen, and it will continue goes down to the this major support that was on the monthly time frame. So some people might like, okay, I'm gonna probably gonna take a buy for now. It's your own choice. I'm not gonna take the buy here because like uh most of the higher time frames are like showing like very sense. So I won't take any by like the other like the GBPJPY. It was like I think it was the opposite of this. So I don't see any sign for taking like a long position. So I'm probably gonna wait. If the price come here, I will take a short. And if the price come down here, I will like make sure like what's going on and see what price action is telling me, and then I will let you guys know. But if the price, I'm just gonna uh, like an idea about what's gonna happen. If the price can come here, I will take a short. And like I said, I'll let you guys know in the channel that we have, the free channel that we have. If when I'm entering, when we are entering a trade, me and my friend, uh, we'll let you guys updated. But this is gonna be the final take profit. But like I said, it depends how you guys manage your own risk. Uh, I'm gonna upload this and thank you guys. If you guys have any questions, you can ask us. You can access us through Telegram, Instagram, and that's it. Thank you. Have a profitable week.